All right, so we're in for 3 micros. Yes, good risk, good risk, good risk. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another day of the XFAs. I can't believe we're almost at day 50 of trading this XFA, which by itself, trading an XFA for 50 days is very hard, regardless of if you're a profitable trader or not. Me trading this XFA for so long, I've kind of developed a little bit of a numbness to the number value, I think. So without further ado, make sure to use code WesleyTrades everywhere. Check out the link tree in the description or the bio if this is on Instagram. Yeah, fellas, let's get straight into it. All right, well, number one, first things first, we're just gonna take a look at news, of course. Today we had PPI, month over month, core PPI at 6:30, which was almost an hour ago, 6:30 my time. So it's almost 7:30 for me. This is our news right here. We'll mark out our news data high and our news data low, because we want to keep that in mind for sure. I got a question. If anyone knows what the session from 4:30 a.m. Eastern to like 8 a.m. Eastern, because I'm looking back and I see 3 perfect setups, all clean without decent points. With decent points. I'm not too sure. All right, now starting from the top, weekly, we're gonna work our way down. Oh, here's HTI ABLS. We'll get rid of all this. All right, weekly yesterday, holy, were we above here? We were all the way up here and we just tanked. So unfortunately, weekly is back in its stupid ass range that we've had trouble with, but we'll remain patient. We'll just we'll take what the market gives us for sure. Daily. This is what I like to see. A little bit of a break to the upside for daily. We do get that candle close. And we somewhat inverse this up here. Again, daily. We're back in the range area, but we did get quite the false break. 4 hour. Take a look at the 4 hour. What kind of direction do we have? Starting to make lower lows. My opinion, a little bit of a bearish direction now. Yeah, so neutral, bullish, bearish. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour definitely looks like the same. Reacted off of this 1 hour fair value gap. Ooh, that's scary. That's bearish momentum for sure. That's bearish momentum. Absolutely, we're bearish on the 1 hour. 15 minute, it's gonna be an extension, which we see, of course. Almost reacted off CE of the first 15-minute fair value gap. How much you want to bet there's a 15-minute SMT up here somewhere? Maybe with these highs. Cause that, react off CE. Us, downward. We'll keep an eye out for it. Okay, we're going to mark out session liquidity. Starting at 17. So here's our Asia session high. And then we have London session high. London session low. Okay, do you guys remember what I said before? I'm just trying to bet that there is a SMT up here, the 15 minute. Check it out, check it out, check it out. With the actual highs that I said. That's wild. All right, so we're in for 3 micros. Yes, good risk, good risk, good risk. Whoa, I can make egg? Let's go. Dude, hot take, I don't like eggs. Okay, now we just kind of wait until market opens and it does its thing. In 5 seconds here. Hello, my tribe. What's up, Bateman? I have a good technique to make fluffy eggs. Once you put them in the pan and they're halfway done, you turn down the heat, and alongside you throw in a little bit of water. We'll start to sizzle, steam the eggs a small bit, and make them fluffy. Okay, I'm saving that. Holy shit, boys. We're almost at 1,500 members in the Discord, bro. That's insane. That's ridiculous. That's a lot of people. That's a whole lot of motion. That's a whole lot of lippers, bro. Dude, you also have to understand, though, that I have family members that have been around for a long time that would probably be getting most of that money, and I would probably be getting half of it. Half of that would probably go to me and my girlfriend's life fund. The other half would probably go to close family. Another good chunk of that would go to extended family. And then another probably 50% of all those good chunks would go to investments. So that would probably leave me around with like 50 mil to play with. See how we deal with this here. Would like to come down here for a trade like this. Oh my god, and we're doing that. That would like this. Okay, it's either this fair value gap or this fair value gap. One of the two. We're just waiting for a good candle close. Reaction off CE. Bullish market structure. I gotta go down one here. Alright, so we're in for 3 micros. Yes, good risk. Good risk. Good risk. For a perfectly one-to-one trade. So very nice. That's what I'm talking about. And a close above London session liquidity. Yes. We're just going to let this one roll. We're not touching it. Yeah, we're looking to be 12 for 13 on our Fridays whenever we trade on the XFAs. That's an insane stat. 12 for 13 on Fridays if we win this trade here. W Patience West, dude, thank you. Oh. Wait, what? Holy Edge? Holy Edge? What a tease. My dick under my ass right now. Yeah. What? That's crazy. That's insane. Order filled. Okay, there we go. Great de-risk loss. And look at that. We would have lost our max amount if we didn't de-risk as well. Shit, we were so close. We were so close.